Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. We're going to take a look at one of the FlowPro remotes that we just installed in one of our most recent box truck installs. This is for a 3000 PSI, 10 gallon per minute hot water pressure washer. So we have the 1/2-inch FlowPro bypass remote system. We chose the 1/2-inch one because we use 1/2-inch line when we do our 10 gallon systems. We use the 1/2-inch on a lot of the 8s and a lot of the 10s that we do. So the way that this is set up, this is the electronic valve right here. So the valve part of it and then the electronic part of it. And then the way the hose comes from here, from the pressure washer, so the water flow is going this direction. And when it's in rinse mode, the water goes straight through up to the hose reel. And whenever it's in chemical or mix mode, then it shuts this off and it forces the water to go through the chemical injector and around this way and back to the hose reel. So essentially the remote, you get 2 remotes that comes with this system, controls this valve here, and then this is the control box that stays mounted in the truck itself. So we'll turn on the control box, which I already left on, and then we'll turn on the remote. If you're a good distance away, you can extend the antenna. You might not have to if you're going to be pretty close to where it is. The rinse mode, that's when you're just running water right through it, and then you'll hit mix and the light will turn on, and that's when you know that it's switching over to chemical draw. And you'll see here there's an indicator on the valve itself that to show that the valve is closed off, and it's preventing water flow from going straight through. It's now forcing it to go up through the injector and go that way. So that's how it'll draw your soap. And then whenever you're ready to switch back to rinse mode, you go ahead and hit rinse, turns the light off, and it moves everything back. The biggest reason why we use these rinse remote systems is when someone wants to use low pressure nozzles and they don't want to have soap draw, or when they want full flow to their surface cleaner without the restriction of the soap injector. So for 10 gallon a minute, forcing it to go through this small injector, you'll notice some restriction whenever you're using a surface cleaner. As soon as you bypass that soap injector, you will notice a pretty significant difference in your surface cleaner and your cleaning speed whenever you bypass it. So that's why these remotes have gotten so popular. The remote system itself doesn't include this plate or these brackets that hold it. So those are additional items that we get from FlowPro in order to install those. And then we just connect it to whichever battery that is associated with the pressure washer it's being connected to. So just to make sure it's always got a power source, and if there's another battery on board, it doesn't go dead from just not being used. So if you have any questions on that, or you want to add it to a build or get some pricing on it, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.